Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care. Today we're outside the shop with this filthy, dirty SHO Taurus. This thing is seriously neglected. It's super beat. If you actually watched any of our other videos on the world's dirtiest Evo, this gets pretty close. It's been through a lot of miles. Now the back plastic of this vehicle is completely faded. It's from 2013, so it's over 5 years old. It's getting some age on it, and we're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to restore the plastic with our Masterson's Tire and Trim Shine. Now this is my favorite product to restore plastic, rubber, and vinyl because it really works on sinking deep down into the plastic and restoring the extra faded vinyl. Now you can pick this up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com. Let's get down here on this Taurus and show you guys what I'm talking about on the problem. So let's come down here, guys. Now check out this plastic. This stuff is extra faded. This car sits outside 24/7. It's always in the sun. I'm not gonna clean it. I'm just gonna show you how well our Masterson's Tire and Trim Shine works by cleaning the plastic, cleaning the vinyl, and any type of rubber, plastic, or vinyl surface. This is a hard textured plastic and it's filthy dirty. So let's go ahead and show you guys how we're doing it. Now I'm gonna use one of our blue and black Waffle Pro applicator pads and our Masterson's Tire and Trim Shine. So let's shake it up, and there we go, got a little squirt going on. And let's put a little bit on there. This is extra faded plastic, so because of that, I'm gonna put a little bit more product than normal, and let's work that in. Check that out. Now with the extra faded plastic like this, you really need to go ahead and work it in a lot, okay? As you can see, I'm working it in because inside our Masterson's Tire and Trim Shine, there's actually cleaners, and the cleaners actually clean and restore the plastic. There we go, check that out. Look at the difference right there we're already getting on that. That is crazy. I'm gonna add a little bit more because this plastic is so dry. I mean, it's just dry. There we go. Look at that. Come in close, guys, come in real close. Check out the difference. I'm gonna make a perfect line right there so you guys can see the difference on that. Look at that. That's amazing. The difference is incredible because this plastic is completely faded and stained. Like, it looks gross. It's stained, it's nasty. It has a gray color. And then we use our Masterson's Tire and Trim Shine. This is a water-based formula to go on the plastic, and it's dry to the touch. That is the best part. Look at that. 100% dry to the touch, no greasy feel. That's incredible, is that dry to the touch feel. Come in close, guys, look again. That feel is just incredible, guys, okay? Let's go around to the other side and let's keep doing this detailing, man. Follow me, guys. Okay, come around here, guys. Let's go down here. Check out the difference. This is horrible. This is just bad. Let's put a little bit more. I'm gonna put a little bit of our dressing on there. With this, you really wanna put a lot on there to work it in. If this is old, I don't think this has ever been applied with any type of dressing. I'm using our Pro Foam applicator pad. I like this because it gets really deep in there and it goes in all the little cracks, the crevices. There we go, let's work it over here. Wow, it's incredible. And the cool thing is it gets dry to the touch. It's not greasy in any way. All the other competitors' dressings, like stuff from the other guys, that stuff is greasy, it's nasty, it's garbage. When you pick Masterson's Car Care, you're really getting the highest quality supplies. I'll move over here. Come over here, guys. Check this out. Around this exhaust tip. These SHO Tauruses are really cool. They actually have the EcoBoost motor that's pretty much almost the same motor as the Ford GT supercar. So this thing really does haul, and it's a V6 twin turbo, and it is incredible. 4-wheel drive. This one has a MagnaFlow exhaust. You can see the owner really does like to drive it all this black. We're gonna work on cleaning that another day. But look at that difference right there. That's incredible. I even had to go back and look at the difference right there because if you come over here, look how faded it is over here in the center of the plastic. That's just nasty. It's just gross, right? But over here, dry to the touch, it looks incredible. It's super black and it looks great with our Masterson's Tire and Trim Shine. Well, there you go, guys. We finished detailing and restoring the faded plastic on this SHO Taurus. Now, this thing's twin turbo. It really does rip out the road, but the sun did really beat up the plastics on the back, and the best way to fix that is with our Masterson's Tire and Trim Shine. Now, you can pick this up right now on our website, mastersonswax.com, where you can get everything you need to get your car looking great. Now, once again, check out the before and after on this. This is crazy. The before is filthy. The after is completely smooth, dry to the touch, and has that rich black texture. Now, thanks a lot for viewing today, guys. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. And remember, if you want to check out all of our products, go to our website, mastersonswax.com, get everything you need to get your car looking great. And once again, we'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.